So here's another trick that you can do. I just sort of did it on the arms. This is an Eastern brush trick. Do you want to see this trick? Eastern brush. We load up the brush with water, fill up the tip with dark, and we've got a natural gradient inside the brush now. So if you do a broad stroke, go sideways across the bristles, see you get this beautiful gradient. You see that? Just by loading up your brush in a gradient. You have to keep washing your brush, picking up again, and see if you can get a gradient that flows down. The gradient, so it's dark on one side, pale on the other side. So you can do that on the little hands and the arms. Load up your brush so it's a gradient and get a nice bit of dark underneath her arms. So it ends up looking quite 3D.